financial inclusion can be in the innovative way, and also what had happened so far. I am looking after the whole of state of Karnataka from NABARD's perspective, which is spearheading the financial inclusion in a bigger way. Many of you in the audience may be knowing that we have a fund called Financial Inclusion Fund and Financial Inclusion Technology Fund, which we administer to see that both the technology goes into the field and also the financial literacy also happens. Many of you might be knowing that financial inclusion is not a one-day affair, and for quite some time, ever since the bank's nationalization has started, financial inclusion has started. Only thing is that new terminology has come only in 2005, otherwise before that also, nationalization, IRDP, SHG, or for that matter all these things were doing the financial inclusion. Now today, in the last 9 years, ever since this word financial inclusion has been coined by Reserve Bank of India, quite a lot of effort had gone into this financial inclusion drive, and maybe to the glee of everyone, we can say that almost more than 10 crore accounts have been opened, which are the no-frill accounts. But very unfortunately, even as per the Reserve Bank of India statistics, more than 9.9 crores were inoperative. So now, where exactly this financial inclusion drive is going and really what exactly is happening? This is where probably we may have to look into it. Now there are two things with this financial inclusion. One is access, the other one is awareness. Now that's why everybody talks about that giving access, because this is basically driven by the technology providers, maybe the POS machine manufacturers, CBS, or for that matter everyone. But there is other thing, that is the demand side. After providing all these facilities at the ground level, who is using and whether he got awareness of using it, even if he goes there, whether he is getting the services which he is supposed to get it. Now these are the things which we have to look into it. So there is a supply side. I can say that quite a lot of the things are happening with regard to the technology, with regard to the rolling out by various banks, various financial institutions, microfinance institutions, NBFC.